Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some serious economic news. There's been growing concern that the US might be heading toward a recession, and a big part of the blame is being placed on President Trump's chaotic approach to trade tariffs. So, in this video, we'll break down what's going on, how it's affecting the economy, and what the future might hold. First up, let's talk about the markets. Wall Street had a tough day on Monday. The Dow Jones dropped by 1.5%, and the S&P 500 fell 2.4%. And it wasn't just in the US. Shares in Europe also took a hit. The FTSE 100 in London, Germany's DAX, and France's CAC all saw declines too. So, what's behind these losses? Well, investors are worried that President Trump's unpredictable tariff policies are starting to hurt economic growth. Economists are now raising the alarm about the possibility of a Trumpsession, a term for a recession linked to Trump's economic policies. His approach to tariffs has been inconsistent, and that's rattled global markets. Just last week, Trump paused tariffs on goods from Canada and Mexico for the second time in as many months, creating even more uncertainty. On top of that, Trump recently warned that businesses and households should prepare for a period of transition, which includes the possibility of higher inflation. Despite these concerns, Trump didn't exactly reassure investors in a recent Fox News interview. Instead of calming fears, he stuck to his chaotic stance on tariffs, putting his political goals ahead of market stability. Kathleen Brooks, a trading expert, pointed out that his flip-flopping on tariffs and his America First views are damaging consumer confidence and affecting spending. It's not just Wall Street that's concerned. Economists are too. Wall Street firms like Goldman Sachs have downgraded their growth forecasts for the US, raising the chances of a recession from 15% to 20%. Morgan Stanley also lowered its 2025 GDP growth prediction from 1.9% to 1.5%, citing that the impact of tariffs has been worse than expected. Looking at the latest economic data, there's more bad news. Consumer spending dropped unexpectedly in January. The trade deficit hit a record $131 billion, and consumer confidence plummeted to its lowest point in 4 years. All of these signs are pointing to possible trouble ahead. Even the Atlanta Federal Reserve's GDP Now model is predicting a 2.4% contraction in the first quarter. So, what's next? Well, there's still debate about whether the US will officially hit a recession, which is usually defined as 2 consecutive quarters of negative economic growth. Some economists believe we can avoid that, but the risks are definitely mounting. Experts like Paul Donovan from UBS are concerned about the chaotic nature of Trump's tariff policies, which have led to confusion for businesses and consumers alike. In summary, the chances of a US recession in 2025 are looking more likely, and much of the blame is on Trump's unpredictable approach to tariffs and trade policies. The economy is facing a lot of uncertainty right now, and markets are reacting negatively to that. What do you think? Do you believe the US will avoid a recession, or are we headed for tougher times? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more updates on the economy and other important topics. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.